As we begin a new year, I am updating the monthly oral board tips from their previous detailed format to a more succinct 60-second version. The tips will still be focused on your oral board success, just more concise. Appropriately for our new format, the topic of this month's message is the application of time in your planning and organizing responses. You probably have an idea of the steps that you want to take to achieve desired objectives. But are you mentioning the timing of those steps? If not, you are leaving out a critical step in planning and organizing. And if you really want to take your answer to the next level, incorporate the thought process that you will apply when establishing your timeline. My specific suggestion: time your actions in your answer so that they are likely to maximize effectiveness and efficiency. If you're looking for more guidance on how to excel at your oral board, go to finest.com and see if coaching, a workshop, or the online e-learning Oral Boards Made Easy for Police Promotion course is right for you.